Imagine buying shares using just your phone. No registration, no processes, no paperwork, just your phone, which has a Safaricom line and registered for M-Pesa. That is what Ziidi Trader is giving you. What does Ziidi Trader do? Hello, good people. Jessie is my name, and this is the TMG Circle, where we are working towards financial peace and ultimately financial freedom. If this is your kind of content, you can join the circle. Ziidi Trader is an online platform providing stock trading service inside the M-Pesa app. It allows users to buy and sell listed stocks without opening the traditional brokerage account, that is the CDS account. How cool is that? If you've never traded in the Nairobi Stock Exchange because you're wondering which broker to use or how to start trading, this is your opportunity. As long as you have the M-Pesa app, Ziidi Trader will help you do the trading. But of course, you have to think through before you buy any shares. So how does Ziidi work? I've tried the USSD *334#. It didn't work. But when I went to the M-Pesa app, I was able to access Ziidi. I'm going to put it here so that you see the process I did to open an account. Because basically, as long as you have an M-Pesa app, the Ziidi Trader is activated. So you don't need a whole process of opening a new account like it's the norm with the CDS account. Ziidi Trader is available on your M-Pesa app. And when you go to the option of financial services, you'll find the Ziidi Trader there. I'll insert the clip of how to activate your account. Then you activate it by accepting the terms and risk. Remember, the risk is both in the app and in the market, because basically they don't have control over the market. And sign on using your M-Pesa PIN and you're ready to go. To place an order, you need to decide the stock you want to buy. But when the market is closed, you cannot buy, as compared to the CDS account where you can buy. Yes, you'll buy today, but it will be activated on the next working day. So what will you find in the Ziidi Trader platform? 1. You'll view the companies listed in the Nairobi Stock Exchange market. You will place buy and sell orders. You will select the pricing option just like you do on an ordinary CDS account. You will monitor your portfolio value. Like I said, I was not able to trade, so I can't be able to share a sample, but in due course I will share my experience of trading on the app. You will also be able to view announcements. You will receive trade notifications. You will receive dividends via M-Pesa. What are the features of the Ziidi Trader? Asset type are the stocks of companies listed in the Nairobi Securities Exchange. The risk level, obviously, trading in shares is a higher risk. Volatility is based on the market. Return source is capital gains, that is your shares appreciating, and dividends for companies which pay dividends. And it is suitable for equity investors. It is not suitable for you to start investing in shares before you have your emergency fund in place. So it is suitable once you already have your emergency fund in place. Who is the target trader? Ziidi Trader is suitable for 1. Long-term investors, just like any other shares investment. People who appreciate and understand market risks. Investors seeking dividend income. Young investors entering the capital markets. And obviously, investors willing to grow their capital through capital gains. It is not suitable for someone who does not have an emergency fund, someone who is risk averse, and someone who is targeting short-term funds. Investors must appreciate these things: market volatility, execution risk, behavioral overtrading, concentrational risk, and lack of diversification. Why does Ziidi matter in the Kenyan market? One, it's easily accessible because most people have M-Pesa on their phones. It gives retail participation because now it's at your fingertips. You don't have to go through the process of opening a CDS account. It has expanded financial inclusion. Now more people can get into shares. It has been highly publicized, bringing awareness of owning equity to different people and especially the retail market. A few things to note about Ziidi Trader. You don't have your own CDS account and the funds are held in an omnibus account. What is an omnibus, you may ask? It is an account where all the investments of the different customers are put together, unlike when you have your own shares in the CDS account. So it brings some logistical aspects when it comes to different responsibilities and realities when it comes to you owning shares of a specific company. For instance, if your shares are held in an omnibus account, it means you don't have the same equal rights like someone who is holding shares in their name in the CDS account. And what does this mean? It means the voting rights is going to be a challenge because now it means the trustee, I'm assuming that's how they will hold it, of the omnibus is the one who will be representing all the customers. Okay, and then also for dividends, unlike when you invest directly and then the dividends are sent to you, they will also be sent to the platform and then the platform distributes. I don't know now what parameters will be used to distribute the dividends, whether they're going to deduct something as management fee or how they are looking at it. We're going to wait for it to unfold, and definitely I'm going to update you based on the experiences we'll have. It has just been launched this past week, so we need to give them time to come up with structures that accommodates everybody. Then there will be the aspect of, in the long run, are you a shareholder, and how do you know that you're a shareholder of a specific company? So there are all those things that need to be addressed. Of course, investing in the Ziidi Trader is just like having the CDS account. So the market variances affect everybody. So you don't expect privileges because now you're in a different app. And then the third thing is that they will also charge you a fee. It doesn't mean because it's now on another platform which is not the CDS and you're not using a broker that there is no fee. If you ask me, the Ziidi Trader in the M-Pesa app is basically your broker. It's only that they are not saying that they are brokers, because I mean, you can't go straight to the Nairobi Securities market. You have to go through a third party. So, well, who is a third party? A third party is a broker. So it's only that they're not using the word broker. Ziidi could be a bit tricky for someone who does not understand the market. So that is why perhaps you may still need to go through the old way of getting a CDS account and using a broker who will give you advice on how to trade in the Nairobi Securities Exchange. But if you know how to trade, then you can get in. It is also not good for people who do day trading, for people who don't understand market risk. And obviously, it is not for people seeking quick profits. Yeah, so basically that's a quick analysis of the new product, Ziidi Trader, that more or less is competing with investment brokers, so to say. And we're going to be monitoring to see how the competition goes and how efficient or better will it give the investors as compared to investors who prefer the CDS account. From today's experience of not being able to trade, I think I would still go with the traditional way of the CDS account, but let's watch and see in the coming days how Ziidi will do. If you have any questions, drop them in the comment section down below, and then we'll try and answer. We will also get more information on Ziidi, maybe do a review in subsequent videos. Okay, so if you have watched this far, then it means you're interested in personal finance. And this is the TMG circle where we are working towards financial peace and ultimately financial freedom. If this is your kind of content, you're free to join the circle by subscribing and following us on our other social media pages. We shared a detailed video on investing in shares, so you can check it out so that you also get to understand how it is investing in shares before you actually open a Ziidi Trader account and you find yourself stranded or not understanding what you're doing. So I'll link it either in the first comment down below or in the description, but be sure to first watch that one after watching this video so that you are able to link up and you're able to make a decision to open a Ziidi Trader account with at least some level of knowledge.